Hi friends, in this lecture I will explain about different types of adders. The different types of adders are half adder, full adder and parallel adder. Half adder will add 2 bits. Full adder will add 3 bits. Whereas a parallel adder will add 2 n-bit numbers. First I will explain about half adder. Half adder is a circuit with 2 inputs and 2 outputs. Here one output is carry, C means carry, another output is sum, S means sum. The outputs of a half adder are carry and sum. It is a 2-bit adder, XY bits are added. The truth table of this one is, now I will write the different outputs for different input combinations. The first combination is 0 0. If you add a 0 0, the sum will be 0 and there is no carry, that is why C will be 0, sum will be 0. That is addition of 0 0. And next we will see the combination 0 1. If you add 0 and 1, the sum will be 1. Once again, there is no carry, so sum is 1, there is no carry. Next combination is 1 0. The sum of 1 0 is 1. So sum is 1. Once again, no carry is generated, so carry will be 0. The next combination is 1 1. Here first think them in decimal format. 1 plus 1 is 2 in decimal. 1 plus 1 is 2 in decimal. So 2 in decimal. Now convert into binary. If you convert into binary, 1 0 in binary format. Here I am adding 1-bit numbers. The result must be a 1 bit. Whenever we are adding two 1-bit numbers, the result must be a 1 bit. But here 2 bits are generated. The extra bit is called carry. So this one will be sum, this extra will be called carry. So carry is 1 and sum is 0. That is the truth table of half adder. Now I will write the expressions, output expressions. To write the expressions, before writing the expressions, first I will write minterms. The minterm for 0 0 combination is x bar y bar. The minterm for 0 1 combination is x bar y. For 1 0, x y bar. For 1 1, x y. First I will write minterms. And we know that always expression is sum of minterms. Expression is sum of minterms or product of max terms. So here first see the carry output. It contains only 1 1. So write the minterm. Always the procedure to write the expression is first identify ones in the output side, then write take the minterm for each one. Here only 1 1 is there, take this minterm. So xy. Only 1 1, that is why the carry contains only 1 term. Now see the sum output. Here 2 ones are there. So it is sum of 2 minterms. So here 1 is there, the corresponding minterm is x bar y. Here one more 1 is there, the corresponding minterm is xy bar. So it is sum of 2 minterms. And if you observe sum carefully, it is nothing but XOR of xy. X bar y plus xy bar means XOR of xy. That is one standard expression. So finally sum is xy that is AND operation. Sum is finally the expressions of carry and sum are like this. Sum is XOR and carry is AND. Carry is AND operation, sum is XOR operation. That's about expressions. Now I will write now I will draw the diagram for this half adder. Here only two inputs are there, x, y. Sum is a XOR operation, so take one XOR gate. Carry is AND operation, so take a AND gate. Like this we can design half adder. Half adder contains one XOR gate, one AND gate. This can be designed. Another point about here, one point to remember about half adder is one half adder requires one XOR gate and one AND gate. That's one important point. Now I will design half adder by using only two input NAND gates. Two input NAND gates. Here this is the procedure. First replace XOR with NAND equivalent. Whenever you place 4 NANDs like this, that will work as a XOR gate. This is one standard diagram. I have already explained this one in the previous lectures. This is one standard circuit. I have already explained this one in the previous lecture. This is one standard circuit. This is one standard diagram. I have already explained this one in one of the previous lecture. So that's about generating sum. Next one is generating carry. Carry is AND. Now you can design, you can get this carry like this. If you observe carefully, the expression at this point is xy bar because it's a NAND gate. So the expression at this point is xy bar. I need xy. Carry is xy. So complement this one. You will get xy. If you complement xy bar, that will be xy, that will be carry. Like this you can design a half adder by using two input NAND gates. Sometimes in the exam he may ask the number of two input NAND gates required to design a half adder. If you observe, it's 5. 5 NANDs are needed. 5 NANDs are needed to design a half adder. This is the minimum number of NAND gates, minimum number. There is no limit for maximum. We can design this with 10 NAND gates also. Okay, but the minimum requirement is 5 2 input NAND gates, 5 2 input square. The minimum requirement is 5 2 input NAND gates. Now I will design this one by using NOR gates. I have explained this diagram also in one of the previous lecture. Whenever you connect like this, it works as a XOR gate. This is one standard diagram. Whenever you place NOR gates like this, that will work as a XOR gate. Now I need, that's about generating sum. Now I want to generate carry. Carry expression is xy. If you observe the expression at this point, it will be xy. We can verify it. If you observe, here x is applied to this NOT gate, so x bar, and here y bar. The expression at this point is NOR of x bar, y bar. So like this. NOR gate means first add then complement. It's nothing but x bar bar into y bar bar, which is equal to xy. I wrote this one according to De Morgan's law. One De Morgan's law is a plus b bar is always equal to a bar into b bar. In this situation, a is x bar, b is y bar, so it is x bar bar into y bar bar, so xy. Like this, we can design a half adder by using NOR gates. So if you observe carefully, the minimum number of NOR gates required is 5. So 5 NORs are needed to design a half adder. Its minimum number. There is no limit for maximum. You can use any number of gates, but the minimum requirement is 5 NOR gates. With respect to NORs, 5 NOR gates. With respect to NANDs, 5 NANDs. That point will be asked frequently in the exams. Remember that number 5. To design a half adder, 5 NANDs are needed or 5 NORs are needed.